As more homeowners in Kendall, Florida, look for ways to live sustainably, energy-efficient windows have become a popular home improvement. While they are often praised for reducing energy bills and enhancing comfort, their environmental benefits are equally compelling. Installing energy-efficient windows can help reduce your carbon footprint, conserve resources, and contribute to a healthier planet, all while making your home more livable. Here's a look at how energy-efficient windows positively impact the environment and why they are an excellent investment for Kendall homeowners. Reducing energy consumption. One of the most significant environmental benefits of energy-efficient windows is their ability to lower energy consumption. Traditional windows often allow heat to enter or escape your home, forcing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. This leads to higher energy use and increased greenhouse gas emissions. How energy-efficient windows help. Energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced technologies, such as low-E, low emissivity coatings, insulated frames, and multiple glass panes filled with inert gases like argon or krypton. These features minimize heat transfer, reducing the workload on your air conditioning system during Kendall's hot, humid summers. By cutting down on energy use, you're also decreasing the demand on power plants, which often rely on fossil fuels. This results in fewer greenhouse gas emissions and a smaller carbon footprint. Enhancing resource efficiency. Manufacturing and maintaining traditional windows can require more resources over their lifespan compared to energy-efficient options. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows reduces waste and promotes the use of more sustainable materials. Durable materials. Many energy-efficient windows are made with durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or thermally enhanced aluminum, which are resistant to warping, rust, and corrosion. These materials last longer, reducing the need for frequent replacements and conserving resources over time. Recyclable components. Many modern energy-efficient windows are made with recyclable materials. At the end of their lifespan, these windows can often be recycled instead of ending up in a landfill, further minimizing environmental impact. Lowering urban heat island effect. In areas like Kendall, urban development can lead to the heat island effect, where city areas are significantly warmer than surrounding rural areas due to retained heat from buildings and infrastructure. Windows with reflective coatings and insulation can help mitigate this effect. Reflecting solar heat. Low-E glass in energy-efficient windows reflects solar heat rather than absorbing it. This reduces the amount of heat your home emits into the environment, contributing to cooler outdoor temperatures and less strain on the local ecosystem. Conserving water resources. While it may not seem immediately connected, energy-efficient windows can indirectly conserve water. Power plants that generate electricity often rely on significant amounts of water for cooling processes. By reducing your home's energy consumption, you're also helping decrease the water demand from these facilities. Reducing waste through longevity. Energy-efficient windows are built to last, with features that resist wear and tear from Kendall's hot and humid climate. Their longevity reduces the need for frequent replacements, which translates to less manufacturing, shipping, and waste production. Sealed glass unit. High-quality seals in energy-efficient windows prevent premature failure, ensuring they maintain their insulating properties for decades. This durability not only benefits your wallet but also lessens the environmental impact of production and disposal. Supporting sustainable practices. By choosing energy-efficient windows, you're supporting manufacturers who prioritize sustainability. Many companies that produce energy-efficient windows focus on eco-friendly practices, including reducing emissions during production, using sustainable materials, and minimizing waste. Promoting a sustainable community in Kendall, adopting energy-efficient windows contributes to creating a more sustainable community. By reducing your home's energy consumption and environmental impact, you inspire others to follow suit. When more homes adopt energy-efficient technologies, the collective impact can lead to significant environmental benefits for the region. Qualifying for green certifications and incentives. Installing energy-efficient windows may help your home qualify for green building certifications, such as LEED, Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. These certifications demonstrate your commitment to sustainability and can increase your home's value. Additionally, government incentives and rebates often encourage the installation of energy-efficient windows. These programs aim to promote sustainable practices while helping homeowners save money, creating a win-win for both you and the environment. Why Kendall homeowners should choose energy-efficient windows. For Kendall homeowners, energy-efficient windows offer a practical and impactful way to contribute to environmental preservation. Here are the key takeaways. Lower energy use. Reduce greenhouse gas emissions and save on utility bills. Durable design. Minimize waste and conserve resources through long-lasting materials. Support sustainability. Encourage eco-friendly practices and inspire others in your community. Mitigate climate change. Play a part in reducing the local heat island effect and conserving water resources. A greener future starts with your home. By installing energy-efficient windows, you're not just enhancing the comfort and value of your Kendall home. You're also taking meaningful steps toward a more sustainable future. Their environmental benefits, combined with financial savings and improved living conditions, make them a smart choice for any homeowner. Contact a trusted window professional in Kendall today to explore your options and start your journey toward a more energy-efficient and eco-friendly home. Together, we can create a better tomorrow, one window at a time.